At Powermatic, we want all woodworkers, professional and hobbyist, to enjoy a long and healthy career pursuing their skill. It is important to us that everyone can breathe confidently, knowing they are protected from the dangers of inhaling microscopic wood dust particulate. That is why we invented the revolutionary Powermatic Air Filtration System 1250 with Microdust collection technology. The only AFS unit that continually purifies shop air with ultra-quiet efficiency. The Microdust collection technology cleans the shop air by capturing the microscopic wood particulate in its electrostatic air filter and redistributes clean air throughout the facility. We placed multiple units with two very different woodworking facilities and want to share their stories.
My name's Roger Connor, and at Fort Houston they call me Dr. Dust. Fort Houston is like the YMCA for woodworkers, metalworkers, and other artisans. They get access to the best professional equipment there is.
My name's Rick Godbolt. I'm shop foreman here at Vintage Millwork. We're producers of high-end architectural millwork. We've got about 15 guys in the shop at any given time. We run sanders, CNCs, table saws, joiners, planers, molders, and create a lot of wood shavings and a lot of wood dust.
The biggest challenge I face is dust management and dust control. Most people don't realize that the dirt that you see on the ground may be unsightly, but it doesn't threaten your health. The big danger is the fine dust that you can't see. It goes deep into the lungs, lodges there, and never goes away. Basically, I've spent all my time here searching for a solution to the problem of the dust that gets up into the air. The dust that gets away from the controls at the tool is the fine dust, and that's the dust that can kill you.
As woodworkers, we have to be very conscious of the particulates and the dust in the air. We're in it 8 hours a day most days. You guys have to wear the proper equipment in here to prevent any number of issues it can cause, especially over a long career. One of the things we really like about the Powermatic AFS system is the portability. Sometimes people move from location to location and may be working in a confined space.
I'll tell you what the biggest difference is. It's quiet. Every other tool that's out there is so noisy, it adds a huge element of noise which can be damaging to the ears. Listen to that. It's like I can run this all day long and nobody's going to complain. In fact, they keep coming and asking me, is that on? Another important feature with the AFS is the filter. It's reusable. You can clean it over and over again. Other units that I've tried rely on expensive filters that have to be replaced maybe once a month. This filter is designed to last months or years because I can just go and vacuum it off and when it gets dirty and start again.
Being the shop foreman here, one of my responsibilities is safety of the guys in the shop, the whole team. The less of the fine particulate matter that guys breathe in, the better off they are, especially on a long career. It's the stuff you don't see that you breathe in on a daily basis that can be your biggest enemy.
As with every product Powermatic builds, the AFS 1250 pushes the limits of design, innovation, durability, and safety. It's time to step up to the gold standard. Visit us at Powermatic.com for more information and locate a dealer near you.